Okay, today we are installing water hammer arrestors on a washing machine. So what is a water hammer arrestor? As the name implies, it arrests the shock wave that goes through your water piping when a valve closes quickly. For example, the solenoid valve on your washing machine, your dishwasher, or on your water dispenser on your refrigerator. And they come in different connections. So whether you need a compression, push to fit, solder, or NPT, or in this case, it's 3/4 inch garden hose thread. You can buy these just about anywhere, Lowe's, Home Depot, online, etc. They come in stainless steel, brass, copper, different connection types, like I said. So what is water hammer? Say you're filling up your glass or your washing machine is filling up with water and that solenoid valve closes. That noise is water hammer. So you can see in this cutaway view, normally the little shuttle or piston inside the cylinder is down toward the bottom, but when there's a water hammer event, that shock wave will go through your water pipe and push up on that piston, and then the piston will push up against the trapped air inside that cylinder. So it basically acts like a shock absorber to absorb that shock wave or that energy in your water piping. So it protects your water piping and your appliances. So we will be installing 2 of these water hammer arrestors today. It has a brass body, stainless steel top. I bought these on Amazon, I believe, for right around $20 as a pair. 3/4 inch male garden hose thread. You can kind of see the little piston inside there. And on the other side is a swivel 3/4 inch female garden hose thread with that rubber washer. And we're going to attach them right here. First, we're going to start by turning off the hot and cold water supplies to the washing machine. You may need a pair of channel locks to break loose the connections. I'm going to put a towel underneath there because there might be a few drips of water that come out of the hoses. And check the condition of that rubber washer. Make sure it's in good shape. Pretty self-explanatory. You simply screw the female end onto the male end of the valve. And some of these can be installed horizontally or vertically. And now I'll reattach the supply hose to the other side of the water hammer arrestor. Helps to move out the washing machine a few inches to give you some working space. And then let's use my channel locks to gently snug up on the connections so they don't leak. You don't want to over tighten them though. And we'll do the same thing on the hot line. Remove the supply hose. Inspect the condition of that rubber washer, that rubber grommet. If yours is bad or cracked, you can buy replacement ones from your local hardware store. So same thing, we'll screw it on and reattach the supply hose to the other end of the water hammer arrestor. Then I'll gently use my channel locks to snug the connections up. I'll go back through and just double check that all my connections are indeed snugged up. I'll slowly turn the water back on. We'll check for leaks. No leaks. Good to go. If you have trouble reaching in there, you can also remove the hoses from the back of your machine and install the water hammer arrestors right at the washing machine inlets. There's a final result. Hope this helps you. I want to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available now in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.